Are you certain you truly understand how the world around you works? What if I told you that everything you see, hear, or feel is governed by invisible laws? But here's the twist. Sometimes these laws behave in ways that defy our expectations. Imagine tossing a ball only for it to float in midair, or even rise upwards. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet the laws of physics hide far more mysteries than you might think. Would you like to know how some of them turn our understanding of reality completely upside down? Stay with me until the end of this video, and I promise you'll be astonished by what physics can explain, even in the strangest of phenomena. The laws of physics are the foundation upon which our world is built, but every now and then, they work in ways that are absolutely unexpected. Let's start with a simple example. You've probably heard of gravity, the very law that makes everything fall to the ground. But in space, this law behaves entirely differently. Objects seem to float weightlessly. So why does an apple fall here on Earth but float in space? It's all down to gravitational force and how distance from massive objects like Earth affects it. Now let's talk about air. You might think of air as just being there around us, invisible and unnoticed. But did you know that air actually exerts pressure on you? At any given moment, nearly 10 tons of air presses down on your body. Fortunately, your body is perfectly balanced to handle it, so you don't feel a thing. And how about water? Have you ever noticed that water in a glass stays flat and calm, but in zero gravity, it forms a perfect sphere? That's due to surface tension, one of the most fascinating phenomena in physics. Next, let's consider electricity. Imagine a world where electricity doesn't exist. No lights, no gadgets, not even your brain would function. After all, your brain relies on electrical impulses to work. And yet electricity can also travel through the air, as we see in lightning. A bolt of lightning is nature's way of demonstrating the sheer power of physics right before our eyes. Lastly, let's delve into quantum physics, perhaps the most mysterious field of all. In the quantum world, particles can exist in two places at the same time, and light can behave both as a wave and a particle simultaneously. Can you imagine that? At the deepest level, reality isn't as solid as we think. It's more like a game of probabilities than something fixed and definite. As you can see, physics isn't just a collection of boring equations from school textbooks. It's a living, breathing explanation of a world filled with mysteries and marvels. A world where gravity depends on distance, air can press down with unimaginable force, and quantum particles seem to rewrite the rules of reality. If you've enjoyed this video and want to uncover more scientific wonders, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And here's a promise. If we hit 100 likes, I'll make a video about how gravity works in black holes and why the laws of physics break down there. Drop a comment below to tell me which facts surprised you the most, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching, my friends.